Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig I purchased. I cannot remember where I purchased this wig from. It's been a while. I actually purchased this wig when it first came out, but I just haven't had any time to get around to showing you guys this wig. But I'll leave all the links in the description box to where you can purchase this from. Now the wig I have is by Bobbi Boss. It's their 13x5 deep lace wig. It's the HD Ultra Scalp Illusion wig. I have it in the style Melanie, and she's in the color number 2. If you follow me on Instagram, I actually post this wig on my Instagram, and Lord, I was giving y'all the wrong name. This is why, if you know me, whenever I post hair, I never post the name, just because I have such a bad memory and I don't be knowing what the name is off the top of my head. I should have just kept my mouth shut, because hopefully y'all ain't purchased the wrong wig. But we here now. So I'm gonna be giving y'all a detailed video on how I get my synthetic wigs to look natural. If you know me, you know I really mess with the lace front wigs, or the lace frontal wigs. They are my favorite wigs to wear, just because to me they look more natural. Now this wig actually came with like double lace in the inside. I don't like the double lace because you can see it through the lace. It's all wrong. So I'm showing you how I actually remove it. It is threaded by like some clear lace. So I take my small scissors. These are actually eyebrow scissors, and I'm just cutting the I can't talk. I'm cutting the clear thread off. Now you will see some hair coming through the lace. Don't worry about that. It's fine. You're not going to mess your wig up. Just make sure you don't cut the actual lace and get holes in it, because that's just not going to be good. And please excuse my ashy hands. I'm so sorry, y'all. Now after you remove the clear thread that's keeping or holding the lace together, you're going to go in and you're going to actually cut all of that extra lace off that's underneath the lace that we really care about. So that's where I'm going in. Now make sure, like I said again, be very careful with this step. Make sure you do not cut the actual lace that you need. After the lace is removed, you'll notice there is hair coming through the lace, and you just want to pull those out. It's not going to mess up the wig, you guys. Just pull it right out and you'll be fine. Okay, on to plucking the hairline. Now this wig, it states that the hairline is already pre-plucked, which I can tell the wig is a little pre-plucked. But if you want a more natural hairline, I would suggest going in and plucking the hairline a little bit more. So this is how I pluck my hairline, you guys. I really don't do it. It's no like special way I pluck it, honestly. Like I just do what works best for me. So right here, this is what my hairline looks like after I finish plucking the wig. Now I'm going in with my Wonder Bond lace adhesive spray. I'm just going to go ahead and spray this on top of the lace. When I start to get to the sides of my head, I go in and spray it on my actual skin, like under the lace. It doesn't really matter how you spray this stuff. You can spray it over the lace, under the lace. It really doesn't matter. Now, this wig does fit big on my head, so I would say this is like normal size. Big, it might be big head friendly. If you do have a bigger size head, lucky you, because I think that you can get away with wearing this as a glueless wig. Just in case you don't want to adhere the lace down, you probably won't have to. Now, if you have a smaller size head like me, you're going to have to use something to adhere the lace down just so it can fit better. I do want to show you guys the lace color and how it looks after applying it. Now, depending on what lighting you're in, you can definitely see the lace. So now I'm just going in with my contour powder so the lace can blend in with my forehead. And my lace is lifting up on the sides now. Before applying your wig, make sure all your makeup is removed and you have like a clean canvas before you start applying your glue or lace adhesive, because you'll have a difficult time trying to make the lace stay over top of makeup. Just letting y'all know that. Me, I don't really care that much, so I'm just going to continue to style the wig. Now I'm just taking out my little baby hairs I have here and kind of molding the front with my wand curler just so my little edges can stay in place. I'm using my Eco Styler gel for my edges, and I want a more natural look. I'm not going to go crazy with the baby hairs. Now let's get into this hair. As you can see, the hair is really nice and full. I really like this hair, you guys. Now, I haven't had any problems with tingling, nor have I had any problems with shedding. Keep in mind, this is a synthetic wig, you guys. So, in due time, it will start to shed and tingle. If you didn't know, synthetic hair does not, it's not like human hair. So if this is your first time trying out synthetic hair, keep in mind it's not going to last like human hair. You guys, it starts to get stiff and all of that good stuff after you continue to wear it. It also starts to tingle and it starts to shed more if it haven't shed already. So just keep that in mind. I decided to go ahead and style this as a side part. I think that it just looks much better on the side. I'm usually a middle part type of girl. Honestly, I really don't have a preference with whatever I'm feeling, middle, side. Today I'm feeling like the side, so I did go in and part it on the side. Now you can do the flip over method because the lace gets, it gets young at the ends. When you start going towards the sides, they give you less lace. So if you do like wearing a deep side part, you can't really do that with this wig. But what you can do is you can flip it over and just, opt out of the part. but you can part it, just not too far down. Now, I was about to do the flip over method, but later on I changed my mind and decided to give myself a little side part. So right here, I'm just kind of like I don't really know what I'm doing right here. Alright, so right here, this is what the back of the wig looks like. As you can see, there are no tracks showing. The wig is nice and full and bouncy. The curls are just gorgeous. It definitely looks like some human hair. I love the length. Just look at that, y'all. It does not look like I'm wearing a synthetic wig, period. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're interested in this wig, I'm going to go ahead and leave some links in my description box. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section down below. But yes, look at me getting it, honey. Ooh. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video.